Naka-live ka ba dito?
Concert Season 2, Dreamer. Good evening, and yes, our performers are a bit nervous but excited for tonight's event. They really dedicated their time and put too much effort just to make this night a memorable one for us.
I can see that all are set for tonight. And now, let's not make waiting too long. Are you ready, Papa Ram?
Yeah.
Dancers.
You and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. You and I, we're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond, beautiful like diamonds in the sky. One time in my lady, you're the one who will never die. We're like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond.
What a performance to start prepared and confident. I'm so excited to start the show for tonight. How about you, Teacher Yvonne?
Likewise, and for sure our audiences.
Yes, nothing is impossible if we truly believe. Anyway, Teacher Yvonne, ano talent mo?
Next question please, Papa. He just learned playing the drums last year. And you know him so well, Kuya Ram. And I'm pretty sure you're so proud of him. Are you ready? So what are you waiting for? To showcase his talent in playing drums in his own style, Reina Michael Suarez.
Yeah.
Yes, you heard it, guys. Tonight is a night full of talent and music. Our next performer will play a piano masterpiece for us.
Nice, he will play a piano. Piano master. Judson Virata to play Payphone by Maroon 5.
Payphone masterpiece. That is totally awesome. You got that X factor. Right? One of our youngest performers for tonight, a 7-year-old boy. Everyone, let us give our ears to Juan Diego Naval.
Tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own. And it's Friday, things that I don't know. But tomorrow comes, tomorrow comes, tomorrow comes. All I gotta do and I look around and sit the sweet light. I'm talking about that with your flashlight. You're getting me through the night. There's no more money shining mine. Can't fly, it's a sweet.
Juan Diego Naval from his flashlight. Because Diego made us speechless for a moment, let us continue to witness the breathtaking performances of our dreamers.
We have singers, pianists, and now, to show us his skills in playing violin, let us all give it up to Sean Philip Shea.
Everyone, Sean Philip Shea. Super musicianship, you play with confidence.
Have a performance of nice one, Miguel and Isabella. That was so live and energized.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our rock star, Rowan Lawrence Rivera.
Pastor Tayo. This is the song called Committed to God Tonight. I hope you enjoy this wonderful night here in Silang Cavite. Thank you very much for joining. And have a good evening. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Thank you!
Really inspirational. A great choice of song, so great connection and emotion.
For a special someone. And here tonight, we already showing our love to these wonderful children by just being here and show our support all the way. And with that, thank you our dear guests and sponsors for coming here tonight just to witness these young ladies and gentlemen to perform.
Yes, thank you. Anyway, Teacher Yvonne, I think I heard you singing last week.
To Leona Reyes. Everyone, yes, here Rodriguez. Clap for Papa Jason Agasa and EJ Yun.
Such an inspiring number.
Once again,
For everybody to know, EJ is such a very shy boy.
he always brings pride and joy to CCD community with his performances, especially during our yearly anniversary event.
I can attest to that, teacher. This young guy is full of talent.
So, Nian Bonaire.
This is the moment, this is the day, when I see all my mountain views on their way, and with shepherd I have made a
again a big hand.
Kimberly Paredes, Charlie Sid, our CCB singers.
But the brightest morning star is just a light away from everyone behind. Without quickly fading, the day on tomorrow, away the tops of the ocean. The paper and the wind still you hear me when I'm calling. Looking at you when I'm falling, and you told me who I am. Always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I always felt that you were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes it feels the hard road, but we always saw it through. You.
This song is for all the couples who are present tonight. Wishing you all a lifetime of love and happiness. Thinking about the
Thank you.
Once again, William United, Kimberly Paredes.
Yes, this one is really special. Do you know why?
Of course, I'm also dreaming to be like them. Papa Lenin, Papa Steven, Mama Angela, and Mama Joanne,
The CCB Band.
Oh, good evening, everyone. Alright, so this song is called When I Dream About You. And if you know the song, please sing with us. When I first saw you, I closed my eyes and I felt so
And now we are ready for our finale. But
In front for a few words, one of the member of the board, Ma'am Socorro, for a few words.
I'd like to thank everyone for coming, for making this show a success. Special thanks to tatlo lang kaming board member ngayon dito, is Ms. Joy Ligoya and husband Mark, and the famous Mr. Jerry Correa, our friend. And ang ano lang po sa akin is, I hope hindi po kayo magsawa. So, you won't get everybody. I have to speak in English kasi may... Anyway, I hope that you won't get the, sick and unfortunately, she's not here, she's in the States due to injury. Mr. Ron Fullerton and the staff of Chosen Children, maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Socorro.
teachers and other staff to dance along with them. Because we are all dreamers and CCT learners.
See you again next time. And this is from you. Congratulations to our dear learners.
Thank you very much, everybody.
So to
You have some ice cream by Antonio's and some sandwiches.
Ayan. Oh, one. Two. One. Rain, look. Two. Okay.